Hello and thanks for joining us. As we get closer to winter, road construction season will soon come to a close.
As Delane Cleveland reports, that is welcome news, especially for a segment of Brooklyn Park that's had multiple projects dating back to last spring.
63rd Avenue in Brooklyn Park is a well-traveled road, both for people who live in the neighborhood and those who frequent the nearby businesses. But as anyone who's familiar with this area can attest, the sight of orange cones and construction equipment has been prominent this construction season.
63rd Avenue actually has 4 different projects going on in that corridor.
Brooklyn Park City Engineer Jesse Struve says on 63rd Avenue, construction crews have been working on many things. From utility improvements, asphalt overlay, and a gas main replacement, to creating better access for bicyclists and pedestrians.
We decided that rather than stretch it out over 2 summers of construction season, that we would coordinate and get it all done within one construction season.
For people in the area, that one construction season has been painful.
A lot of frustration.
Prometheus Bia is a cashier at the Ace Hardware on 63rd and Boone. He's heard the complaints from customers.
People coming here, they can't get through, and they're frustrated too, it's kind of hard for everybody.
Yet such is life when construction crews only have a short window of time to do their work before Old Man Winter comes along. The good news, according to city engineers, is that the pain should finish by early November with noticeable improvements.
And weather permitting, we'll be able to complete this project quickly. The driving surface through this corridor is going to be greatly improved over what it was before, and hopefully again we won't be back there for a number of years.
That's news that will certainly make businesses happy.
I hope they can finish as soon as possible, then we got our freedom.
In Brooklyn Park, Delane Cleveland, CCX News.
One of the long-term goals of the project is to create better bicycle and pedestrian access leading up to the Park and Ride station on 63rd Avenue and County Road 81, which would be the site of a light rail transit station.